Hello, Doctor. In every heartbeat we heal, we feel the grace of Ma Vaishno Devi's guiding our hands. Doctor and nurses find courage in science but strength in the blessing of Ma Vaishno Devi's. When the night is long and duty is heavy, Ma Vaishno Devi lights our path with hope. Ma Vaishno Devi is the silent guardian behind every healing touch of a doctor and nurses. We serve people, but Ma Vaishno Devi serve our and faith and power. In the hospital, quiet prayers, we the feel divine presence of Ma Vaishno Devi. Thank you, doctors.